Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So I'm creating this video just to demonstrate you one of my client project who wanted me to create an application to create an OpenAI assistant, okay, and to integrate it with a Streamlit application in order to test it. So this is the first step. Basically the project was divided into two parts. The first part is to create an Streamlit application and messages application basically, and the reply will be come from the OpenAI assistant AI model. So let us see how it is working right now. If we run the application, so it will run in a moment in my local host. Okay, so this is the application. So as you can see that the Streamlit application is running on my browser with 8501 port, and it has created the assistant. If we go to the logs, so we can see that the assistant ID has been created. So let's talk with our assistant. Our assistant may basically is working as a assistant of hotel. So anyone who comes up with the hotel query, this assistant will reply them back, and it is basically on Italian language. So it will just only reply on Italian language. Okay, so we can talk with it, and let's say I say him I want to book a hotel at 20th January. So you can see that all the messages will be, we can see here it will show us the history as well, and it will only reply us in Italian language, which we can see here. Okay, so this is the Streamlit application basically, and the second part of that project is to integrate this assistant with respond.io platform. So we can see that this is a respond.io platform basically, which is used for managing the messages which was coming from multiple social media platforms like WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook. So all the messages will come in a single screen here, and we can manage it in a single screen. But he wanted me to integrate a platform there. So instead of assigning someone who respond back to all the user queries, we can integrate a chatbot here who will respond to all user queries basically. So what I did, I basically I deploy this whole code in Google Cloud App Engine, okay, and it will basically hosted there, and it is integrated here. So all the messages that are coming to respond.io will basically getting a reply from the chatbot. So we can test it here as well. Let me message. Let me type hi. This is the WhatsApp number of this respond.io, and it must give me a response back. Let us go to the messages and see. So you can see that this is my number and this is the message. Okay, so I message hi and it gave this reply. Let us see on WhatsApp as well. So you can see that it gives us a reply back. Let me say him I want to hotel at 20th December. So it must give me a reply back here. It basically checks certain things and then give us a reply back. So you can see it gave us a reply back here. And we after our conversation is done with this bot, uh, it will stop giving them a response. Basically, I implemented a logic there, so once the conversation ends, uh, after that the bot will not going to respond. It basically depends on the requirements of the customer. So my client wanted me to implement this logic, so that's why I did that. So that's how basically we can integrate our any model with respond.io. So our chatbot basically will running behind the respond.io, and behind the chatbot our assistant API is running, which is from the OpenAI. Thank you very much.